In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Adobe Scan. Signing into Adobe Scan is a simple but important step to unlock the full potential of this powerful document scanning app. Whether you're on an iOS or Android device, these steps will guide you smoothly through the sign-in process. To get started, first launch the Adobe Scan app. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, whichever applies to your device. Once you tap on the app icon, it will open up the Adobe Scan interface. Now, on the welcome screen, you'll notice a prominent Sign In button. Go ahead and tap on this button to proceed to the next step. Signing in brings you the advantage of accessing all features Adobe Scan has to offer, as well as keeping your documents backed up and synchronized. Next, you have a few choices for how to sign in. Adobe offers multiple sign-in methods to make it as convenient as possible. You can choose to sign in with an Adobe ID, which will require your email and password. If that's not your preference, you can use your Google account, which is a quick and seamless method for many users. If you're using an iOS device, you might prefer to sign in using your Apple ID. And in some regions, you might also have the option to use a Facebook account. Pick whichever method you find most convenient or reliable for you. Next, you'll need to enter your login credentials. So if you've chosen the Adobe ID option, type in your email and password, or if you're going with Google or Apple, follow the prompts to input your account details. Make sure everything's accurate, then tap Sign In. And that's it. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a suite of features that allow you to scan your documents with ease. Adobe Scan makes it simple to save and share these scans, supporting various formats, which makes organization and collaboration much simpler. Just imagine having all your important papers, like notes, receipts, or even whiteboard discussions, digitized and ready at your fingertips. If you experience any issues during this process, such as not remembering a password, each sign-in service typically offers a password reset option that you can utilize. So don't worry about getting stuck because of account access problems. There you have it, your guide to signing in to Adobe Scan. Once you're signed in, you're all set to explore and utilize this productive app to its fullest potential. Enjoy scanning and go paperless with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Adobe apps.